Well, this is my follow-up. It's part two of the Ultimate Mini Tub Mustang Mini Tub Buyer's Guide. These are Detroit Speed Mini Tubs in there. They were fully installed, and we thought we were in a good spot. And then my friend decided he wanted to put the fold-down back seat in the car, and none of the plastics fit. So whether he was going to use the fold-down or not, the plastics wouldn't have fit in this car without cutting them out. Which would have been fine. We could have used the DSCs the way they normally come and cut the panels out and then painted them or upholstered them. That would have worked. And then we could have put, original plan was like a Shelby deck here. But he decided he wanted a fold down rear seat, which meant that we needed to cut up the DSC mini tubs. And you can see how much we had to cut in right here. It's probably a good 2 inches. And then in the front, we had to do the same thing. We had to cut in down at the bottom. Less, but still need to cut in down there. There you go. You can kind of see it over there. And then we had to make that panel. So, make a template for this and then figure out, how to roll the bottom and the back and then clean up the line, weld it together. Grind it, braze it, finish it, undercoat it, and then put a Pour 15 top coat, and then it'll get sound deadening after that. So from the very beginning, if you know you're going to put all the interior pieces back in, then I'd recommend Mustang to Sphere. If it's more of a drag car or something like that, then DSCs are great for that. Especially with the Quadrolink. I've never done the Mustang to Fear with a Quadrolink. I don't know how it would fit. It should work. But this is a Quadrolink top cross member that, the floor gets cut out all along here to take it. And there's, a huge hole down the middle of the car when you're putting this in. So that is it, guys. That's the update on part two. The conclusion, I guess, of the mini tub ordeal. So if you're at this spot already and you have DSEs and you decided, wow, I want to put all my stock interior back in it because I really didn't need that much wheel well clearance, then you could do it this way or have another shop do it, or we could do it. So, and if you're starting from scratch, probably better just to do the Mustang to Fear. So, all right, that's it. Thanks, guys.